Hello, champions. Welcome back to class. Today, our topic is telling the time o'clock. Telling the time o'clock. All right, so I want you to sit back and listen attentively. Okay? The clock is one of the instruments used for telling time. All right, and we have two types of clock. They are digital clock, and analog clock. Okay, the digital clock has three hands. It has the minute hand, the hour hand, and the second hand. All right. So before we start talking about what the time is, let's memorize this. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. And 24 hours equal to 1 day. Okay? All right. So, when the minute hand is pointing to the number 12, on the clock face, we say it is something o'clock. All right. So, and the number that the hour hand is pointing to will tell us what hour we are in. Right. Now, the hour hand is pointing at the number 12. So the time on the clock is 12 o'clock. Good. 12 o'clock. All right. And this is the digital clock. The digits on the left will tell us what hour we are in. And the digit on the right will tell us the minutes that has passed the hour. And the time on both the analog and the digital clock is 12 o'clock. Okay, so since there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, let's have a look at what happened when the minute hand moved around the clock. The minute hand is pointing to 12 and the hour hand is pointing to 1. So the time is 1 o'clock. All right, so let's watch the clock move around another 60 minutes. All right, now kids, what time is it? Two o'clock. Bravo. All right, now let's try to remember the basis. If the minute hand is pointing to 12, it is something o'clock. So then, look at the hour hand to tell you what the time is. It's 7 o'clock. Good. All right. Now, what is the time? 11 o'clock. Awesome, kids. What is the time? 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. Amazing, kids. What is the time? It is 6 o'clock. Very good, very good. Now, what is the time? It is 8 o'clock.
What's the time? 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 It's 1 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock, it's 3 o'clock, it's 4 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock, it's 6 o'clock, it's 7 o'clock, it's 8 o'clock, it's 9 o'clock, it's 10 o'clock, it's 11 o'clock, it's 12 o'clock.